Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ally Invest for automated trading, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Ally Invest website. Locate the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on the Open an Account button. Choose the account type that suits your needs. For automated trading, select a brokerage account or an IRA. Fill out the required personal information in the registration form. Provide your name, address, email, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets Ally's security requirements. Proceed to the next section of the registration process. Enter your employment information, including your job title and employer. Fill in your financial information, such as annual income and net worth. Specify your investment experience and trading preferences. Review and accept the terms and conditions of Ally Invest. Submit your application and wait for confirmation. Check your email for a confirmation message from Ally Invest. Follow any additional instructions in the email to verify your identity. Log in to your new Ally Invest account once it is activated. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and tools. Navigate to the automated trading section of the platform. Set your trading preferences based on your investment strategy. Explore the available automated trading options and algorithms. Select the automated trading strategy that aligns with your goals. Review any associated costs or fees for automated trading services. Start your first automated trade by following the prompts. Monitor your trades and make adjustments as needed. Utilize the educational resources provided by Ally Invest for further guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.